Oh, fuck. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. I was muted. I didn't realize I'm muted. I'm three positions in. One, two, and three. If you didn't hear me, you could probably be one position in taking a sell here at the pineapple. Wow, I've been muted this whole time. You've been seeing me. You've been seeing me mess with it. So as I was explaining to nobody while I was muted, I'm expecting a retest of the lows after we've come up here, grabbed orders on the hourly, and broke all the lows. I would expect a retest of these lows. That's why I hopped on here real quick. I am sorry, I didn't realize I was muted. Jeez. It's like win number 100 all over again. I was taking these by myself. Okay. Really looking for the flip down here. Wow. So we filled the range here. We filled all the way through here. With some volume, I expect us to retest the lows of the candle that we are making. Makes sense here on the 15. Really made sense on the 30 as it pulled back up to this area and the 1 hour with 10 minutes to go in the hourly. More people at the Zoom door. Come on in. Struggling to flip here on the 15. 9 minutes to go in the 1 hour candle. Struggle is real. Huh? Spent the first half of this candle making a top wick. Can we now reject and come down? Jump, take a sell right here. Just took another sell. Did everything we wanted it to do so far. So it did break the lows. It did finish out the previous range, and we did open up with a top wick after leaving range for us. So I would expect some kind of retest of the lows. If we close up back in range, I would expect at the very least a retest of support, which would be roughly 29.53 areas. So let's see. Let's see what this does. 6 minutes here for the hourly. We didn't have news here this morning, do we? Oh, 8:30. 8:30 we have news. All right. Well, why are we pushing heavy without pushing from a level? This could create a level. Five minutes to go in this 1 hour candle. A lot will depend on this closure. Our next either entry or risk management will depend on that closure. Don't really have another area for pineapple until the top of the range here. So I'm kind of obligated to wait here. 4 minutes for the 1 hour. If we can close bearish below 29.53, we probably have more entries off the next 1 hour opening. We didn't quite get there to my actual pineapple areas. There's a support here, so it's making a decision. Do we hold support or do we break back down below? So 5 minute candle here. 3 minutes on the hourly, 3 minutes on the 1 hour. We want to close below this area. Want to close below 29.53.3. 2 minutes on the 1 hour candle. It's tough. It's closing back in range right now. We have 40 seconds. So the 30 is bearish. For now, 30 seconds left. The hourly is bearish. The hourly is a doji candle with some range to fill to the downside. 20 seconds. Need a top wick here on the hourly on the next one. Need a top wick. Alright, taking a sell right here on the top wick. So just took a sell as we made the top wick here. I would expect us to come down a bit. I'm going to close full right there. I just closed full at break even. I'm going to expect this to really drive through here. It gave me a chance to get out. I'm going to expect a rebreak at a highs. That's we close back up in range. Small top wick. I'm going to wait for this. I'm going to wait. The market gave me a chance to get out. Once it flips bullish, it's going to be gone. So we're not going to risk that. We're going to get out here as it gave us a chance to get out, and then once it really breaks down here and closes below, we will get back in it. Yeah, I closed as soon as we tapped this area. I closed. Lost 2 pips on that, but it's all right. I'm okay with losing 2 pips on 10 positions. Break even. It could come down, could come up, but the probability of our trade playing out has gone down, right? At this point, it's no longer our trade. Our trade was this 15-minute flip. The 15 never flipped, right? But it did come down to bounce off a support. At this point, if it flips up, we are wrong. So we don't want to be in the position we didn't plan for while also being wrong. Okay. B for you? Yeah, B for me as well. Minus 2 pips. B. B number 115. Right? If we're wrong, this will really hurt once it flips bullish. But if we're right, great. Let it set up. We'll actually get that closure on the higher time frame, which we didn't on the 30 and the 15 as we pulled back up. We'll wait for the news to play out, and then we'll get in there. All right? So don't feel FOMO if it does start driving down. You manage the risk according to plan. Let it close. Oh my God. Sneezed and coughed at the same time is like the weirdest feeling. I swear, it feels like you'll blow your asshole out. It's crazy. I tried to hold in the sneeze and cough, then I tried to hold in the cough and I sneezed. Ah. Oh, Zoom door, I'm sorry. You'll shoot your eye out. My eye started tearing. Yeah. Happy Valentine's Day to you as well, darling. I love you. And go wish Benny happy birthday. It's his birthday as well. Give me a kiss. It's his birthday today. Yeah, Valentine's Day is also his birthday. He was born on Valentine's Day. Wish him happy birthday. Benny. Come here, give me a hug. Not you, Benny. Watch out. Give me a hug. Benny came in there looking for hugs. I didn't come out with him yet. I'm about to take him outside. Benny, let's go for a walk. 5 minutes. We got 5 minutes, Benny. Just closed 110 pips. Nice, nice. Oh, so you guys held. Or if honestly, if you just had the pineapples, you could hold. You could hold because you didn't have that first position that you're stuck in. But at the point where it came back to this area, it didn't flip bullish yet to re-break the high. It did here already. But at that point, we made bottom wicks. Let's get rid of all this. We made a bottom wick first, and we closed back up in range. So we can't risk that bullish flip. You're leaving unnecessary risk on the table, right? Oh, whoa, Vicky. Oh, Vicky. Oh, look at this. It tapped this level from yesterday on the dot. That's funny. Yeah, I would love to take positions here, but we have news here in 20 minutes, and not just any news, right? There are 2 red folders, not 1. There are 2. And then President Trump speaks every single day. Yeah, at this point, I'd need a closure. We already messed around with the market driving down without a closure. Now that it rebroke those lows, I would need a closure. If we hold all that pineapple, yeah, you can, but just long term, it's not like what you'll make an extra 40, 50 pips here, right? Maybe it could have been a 100 pip drive, but long term, if you do take a loss here, if it does flip bullish, you're taking like a 500-600 pip loss. It's just not worth it at that point. Because it's not about how much you can win or lose. It's about the probability of your position playing out, going down. Yeah, give me 2 minutes because my dog's over here with a leash. Come here. Come here, Benny. Benny! Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Benny, man of the people. Man of the people. Come on, come here. Let's go. Let's go. Give me a kiss and we go. Oh my God, you're too fucking big. What up? All right, let's go. Let's go. Get off me. Let's go. Get off me. Let's go. Chat, give me 5 minutes. Let me walk him. I just need to step outside. We gotta go show the other dogs who's boss in the neighborhood. Let's go. Benny makes you look 3'4". Yeah. Lights off. Lights on. Looking lovely with volume, momentum. Yeah, this wick should refill itself within this candle, within this one can. No top wick here on the 5, really small one. Be careful, this is a strong rejection area. Personally, I will wait to see this through before hopping in. But we were pretty right on that move. Our initial idea was correct. All right, remember, no more FOMO. No more FOMO. And we'll have plenty of opportunities in this session. Looking like it's moving. Our news is pretty early, 8:30, and then we'll have the rest of the way to take advantage of price action. Should be a big day. That was a little toga to start, but it should be a big day. All right, can you stop eating my fucking sneakers? All right, a few minutes, chat. Hold on. Which also gives me the time to where's the lighter, bro? Alright, go walk yourself, and I'm gonna smoke. I'll be behind you. Lead the way. Ah, who left this open? That's why we get fucking crazy mosquitoes over here. Just be leaving this shit open. Can you spit out the neighbor's parrot? You don't get in trouble. You got a Ring camera. Smoke a Fat J? No, I smoked a dog walker. Zoom door? Gotcha. A lot of people at the Zoom door. Will I be a Valentine? No, I can't. It's Benny's birthday today. That takes priority over everything. I can't do Valentines and birthdays on the same day. Wow, did I just get fucking chewed up? My legs are bit up from mosquitoes just from taking that little walk. Benny, you walking yourself next time. This is bullshit. Holy shit. Oh, I got like little bumps and hills and mountains on my legs right now from these fucking mosquito bites. Alright, chat, let's lock in here. Let's get a little motivating. Let's do some motivationing. Who's ready? Who's ready for our intro? Let's fucking do it. I'm ready.
This is a story about life, about struggle, about success. Not just mine, but yours too. Because whether you see it now or not, we're all trading something every single day. Time, energy, choices. That's life. That's trading. I wasn't always here. I wasn't always the guy you see on your screen. I started out just like most people. Uncertain, broke, doubting the system, doubting myself. But one thing kept me going. The belief that life's biggest opportunities aren't given. They're taken.
And vagina.
And I took mine. See, trading isn't just about charts, candles, or currencies. It's about discipline, patience, and the courage to bet on yourself. It's about understanding that every loss is a lesson and every win is a stepping stone. It's about the grind, the sleepless nights, the early mornings, and that voice in your head telling you to keep going when the rest of the world says stop. But let me tell you something. This journey didn't start with success. It started with failure. More failures than I can count. I remember sitting in front of my screen, watching the markets eat me alive, thinking maybe this isn't for me. But deep down, I knew it wasn't about the markets. It was about me. My mindset. My choices. My willingness to adapt, to learn, and to grow. The truth is, trading is a mirror. It shows you who you really are. It forces you to face your fears, your doubts, and your limits. But it also shows you your potential if you're brave enough to see it. I'm here now because I refuse to quit. Because I learned to see every loss as a stepping stone, every setback as a setup for a comeback. And if there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be persistent. Success isn't about getting it right all the time. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. This isn't just a stream. This is a movement. A space where we don't just talk about markets. We talk about life, about growth, about becoming the best version of yourself, not just as a trader, but as a person. Because the truth is, the charts don't care about you, but this community does. I do. And together, we're gonna rise. So, take a deep breath, clear your mind, and get ready. This is where traders are made. This is where dreams are built. And this is where your story begins. Let's get it.
4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. And he will get his profits in this life or the next. 100%. Turns to page 1. Yep. Is this the casino? Yes, you're in the right class. Casino 101. This is accelerated gambling. It's the college now credits. If you read a book and that was the epilogue, you're buying all of them for resale. Nice. Yeah, come on in, everybody. Gather around. Gather around. We have news here. We're learning. This is unemployment studies. Unemployment 101. We ain't got no claims today, though. Welcome to Unemployment 101. Grab your seats, your notebooks, and toss the motherfuckers out because you don't need to know nothing. Retail sales. All right. And then core retail sales. Sales 101. It's Kenny's birthday? No, it ain't Kenny's birthday. On Kenny's birthday, we wouldn't see Kenny. We would see smoke. There'd be a lot of fog on screen. Heck, Kenny himself will be MIA. 2 minutes here for news. 2 minutes. Let's grab some liquidity, gang. March 13th. Ooh. You're a Pisces as well. Fake birthday? You're a fake Pisces then. You ain't representing.
No,
You ain't keeping it real.
I have 2 Facebook pages, and my promotion page has my birthday as yesterday. My real page has my birthday March 13th. So.
Oh yeah, you must have been using Eddie's keyboard when you signed up.
Well,
digit off.
My promotion page is open to everybody because I throw parties and stuff, so I don't give them all my info on that page. So I just pick it perfect, close enough. But yeah.
Nice, nice. Damn. So, what kind of parties are these? What kind of parties are these, huh?
I mean, when I just grown and sexy parties. We do Sunday day parties, my cannabis parties. So a lot of people know me under Kenny Goodlife. Because as far as parties and promotions, they don't even know my real Singleton, my real name, because they just know me from party. Now everybody else who really know me, they own both pages or one page. But yeah.
Yeah. Green said swinger parties. Yeah, you can see Green right now swinging in a rope right into that party. Coming in hot. Swinging. Damn. Let's see. But no lube, right? No lube. No baby oil. Oh, there's another Singleton in here.
Now, my Christmas party, I had a Christmas pajama party at a 8-bedroom Airbnb that my boy owned. So, I throw different things depending on what it is.
Nice, nice. long as it ain't a Diddy party, you're good. I've seen some upscale swinger parties though. Seen some really, really high grade swinger parties. Like I heard of them. Yeah. No, there's a lot of that in Miami. Miami's like known. You can't look, if you're in Miami, you can't go out with your girl to a club and not have somebody like like if you're a good looking couple and not have like a swinger couple hit on you. It's almost like impossible. News dropped here. Negative. Bad news. Bad news. Very, very bad. Bad news. Look at that. Wow. We should see the market skyrocket, right? Let's see. Let's see if the support here is stronger than the news. Wow. Because this is heavy bearish push right before news, right? Right pre-news. And you would expect news continue, just bring in volume and continue with price action, which would continue bringing this down. But news came out bad across the board. So you would expect a push up. Let's see if that's what happens. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, but just because news is pushing this up, we can't take buys off of this. I would need range 2 breakouts for buys. At this moment, unless we create a range 2. Yeah, this for me. This range 2. We would have to close above here. Maybe even above here. The way we're printing. Yeah, I would have to take buys above 29.56, or I would have to see a range 2 created, right? If we can see something like this, right? And find a resistance here and then drive off a support, right? If we can establish a resistance. Sometimes if there's a lot of volume, you're not going to get this bearish print. Sometimes you're going to just get that steep wick that comes back down to this area. Right, and then you get this. So as you start breaking these highs over here of the previous candle, you start looking for closures. Start looking for something like this. Then you can start looking. Now you've created a range 2 here. You can start looking for these buys. But for now, you're still likelier to come back down price action wise. So that's why there's no buys for me. I love Apex news gambling rules. What happened? They encourage it? Do they encourage news gambling? I'm sorry, give me a sec. I think my daughter came down with chickenpox. I'm not sure. We'll find out. We'll see if her class is if her entire class is in attendance on Tuesday. Nothing beats a green iced tea. Hey, shout out to Green. like right out of the fridge, right out the icebox in the morning. It's the most refreshing thing ever. Spreads jumped to 12 pips. Damn, your ass got spread. That's a lot. Mine jumped
Is that
to 1.
a New?
What was that?
Is that a New York term? Icebox?
Yeah, why? I don't know. It's an icebox.
I never heard they say icebox.
Where else they say icebox?
I don't know. That's what I said. I never heard people say icebox. I thought maybe is that a New York thing or something.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe. I don't even remember. I've always kind of said it, so I don't remember where I got it. New York thing? Nope. Bro, you're not really in New York City. You're in Westchester. That's not New York. You're basically in Canada. Right? You're somewhere in Westchester. I don't remember where are you. You're not in the city. See, this is interesting. Remember, as we came up here, this is the area that we spoke about. Like, hey, we can reject here and come right back up. Except when we were here, he still came down. And now it's doing that little thing. Want no parts. 3K for a studio? Word. And that studio will be on the 6th floor and the building will have no elevator. The city's wild. And no laundry. You ain't lying. That's city life. Shitty life. That's that shitty life. 20 minutes here for this hourly closure. This is a heavy drop here if you're looking at the spot gold. Look at your 4-hour here. Oh, it looks a bit different. Bit different. No, you'd want a lower closure here. Wow, WTF. Flipski. Elevator smell like cold 45. Oh shit. Knock knock. Who's there? Future so much more bearish than spot? Yes. That's what I just went like, what the fuck? WTF. But you might get this flippity pippity and close heavy bearish on the hourly, and that's very interesting here because you've had your shampoo play here, right? It's kind of played out. You've attempted to drive up based on the news. You didn't. If you flip, start driving bearish, you can say arrivederci to the fact that the news is going to continue driving us bullish. And that would fall in line. Volume coming in, driving the market with direction of price action. Irrelevant what the news dropped in the long term. It's been like that for the last few months. Yeah. Spot gold looking pretty bearish now as well. For the 15. Yeah, I'd expect the bottom of the range at this point. Not pull back here, might drop to the next one. We'll see. We shall see. 15 closes here in 1 minute. If we can pull back on the 15, we'll take advantage of that. This is hilarious with the news coming out so bad. I mean, this is taking out a lot of buyers. It's taking out a lot of news traders. Yeah, personally, I would expect this to pull back up because we're going to need to drive off a resistance. Yeah, we're driving off a resistance, but that's from the previous range. We just drove through a 120 pip range with not a single pullback. At least 46. I'd want to pull back like 80 pips here. Pull up ski from the drop ski. That's a pretty disgusting 15-minute candle. That's an ugly closure, man. Let's see if we can pull back up here. A lot of time. Shit. If we pull back up in this candle right now, up to here, up to 29.46, we'll look for positions. We'll look for sells before the 4-hour close. Might happen. Might happen. Or this might be the extent of the pullback. We'll see. $15 closed right at it, right at our level. The reason I'm adjusting it, it made sense on the higher time frame, and it falls in line here on the smaller time frame, so this is better support. Yeah, like this, it didn't close right at it. Yeah, there's no bottom wick on spot here on the 15. That doesn't mean it can't drive, but it just drops the probability of that happening. Let's say this 15 doesn't break the previous 15 low. We want that. We want this 15 to not break this low. We want that. We want this to just start pulling up, because guess what? That leaves us, if that happens, it leaves us a bottom wick on the 30, on the hourly, 2 hour, 4 hour, all of it. Well, for spot gold, 2 hour, 4 hour, but for our purposes, every time frame. We want this 15 to not flip and pull back up. Because if it flips, then you want the 15 to drive even further. Right, but we've already blasted past some resistance areas that we could use as advantage points for entries and pineapples. That would be lovely. So I'd want this to push up so we can take advantage of those levels. Right, because whatever low we just created, this support, I'd expect us to come down and retest this low. So fall falls in line, then 15 closes no bottom wick, means no entry on this current 15. If this current 15 pulls all the way back up, it sets us up for the 30 and the 1. So if market behaves and does what it typically does, we will have positions here in about 10-15 minutes. %30 battery? What do you mean 30% battery? Just charged you. 30% battery is like when NYPD catches you, breaks your leg, and lets you go. It's like 30% battery. This shit's at 30% battery. I just charged it overnight. Oh, that's right. There's a giveaway today. That's right. It's Friday. We'll do a giveaway today after 10. Yeah, we'll give away a couple of 25K accounts. Should be fun. Would you look at it different if we break the low? No, it's even better if we break the low and then come back up. But the ultimate goal is to come back up. Not for the drive up, but for the pullback. So we can have a lot of range to come down and retest the lows. Could you please mention the Forex levels? Right, you see a closure here, you see a heavy drop off this level, solid area. Zoom in, solid area across the board. You drive down from here, definitely an entry. Solid entry. Previous support turned into a resistance here. Price stayed below. If we come down here, you might see a reaction at that area as well. Boom. Whoops, wrong line here. Entries for spot. Okay, this is what we wanted to see. The 15 never flipped just yet. 6 minutes left, 5 pulling back, 15 pulling back, 30 is leaving a bottom wick. Six minutes though. 6 minutes is a lot of time. Oh man. That's that pre-trade stretch. You guys know that stretch. That's the one that's what you do right before a position. Let me get ready for this one. Hold on. I gotta do some jumping jacks. I gotta stretch. Oh yeah. Old man stretch. Old man stretch. Oh, this thing doesn't like the stretching. It's coming back down. I don't think gold likes to get stretched. It's alright, you guys could stretch. Fuck gold.
Wix, I think you're muted, buddy.
Thank you. What I was saying is this is tough that it's coming back down. The 5 held resistance here, right? So you have an onion on the 5. Once this flips, you could get a really small wick on the 30. You might refill it here. So let's hope this pulls back up. Ideally above 29.40 here, and we want buys. I'm sorry, we want sells, but we want them above the range. 29.43 areas, 46 areas. Mute it. Let him cook. That is a lot of range for a top wick here. Already tapped this area as well. $90 seconds here. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it do. By the way, while we're waiting, chat, drop a like and sub to the channel here while we have a moment. We will look for entries here in less than a minute. The tough part about closing below this area, like this would be a very small top wick for an hourly. Right, this is 5 pips if we come back up here, but there's a chance that top wick could only be 5 pips and we come down heavy off 29.44.4. But I can't take that entry here. I would expect a steeper top wick on a drive like this, or a steeper pullback. Yeah, tap this area and now it's coming straight down, you see. It broke it, tapped it. Straight down. Alright, well, let's see. This might flip bullish. Which isn't bad, because if this flips bullish from here right now, I'll still take an entry up here. This, I don't know. We just rebroke the lows. That's a little tough, right? These wicks across the boards, previous resistance. You can establish a support here. That's possible. With such a heavy drive, I'd expect a retest of the full range, full low. Let's see how high up this comes up. Let's see if it comes up at all. Let's see if this comes up at all, right? This is good. This is good. You've had your range 2 breakout after driving up. You've had your volume, indication of volume, right? And direction with the closure below the range here, range 2 breakout giving direction. You just need an optimal entry. And the optimal entries would be off resistances, not mid-candle here. So that's what we wait for. Also, if we can see what we're mirroring here. So, last time we were at these highs, and we had that drop. That drop bottomed out right there. And then from that drop, it came all the way back up to here. Keep that in mind, as that is a very real possibility after we've made that bottom wick tap this area on the dot right there. Just like you had a range to breakout to the bearish side, it's a possibility you can have that range to breakout for buys. I don't see this setting up before NYSE open unless we re-break the lows here. Our charts don't look alike. They're probably not related. Your chart's adopted. Do we flip the tape? Yeah, we do. Let's do it. Yeah, I think Trump news conference around 3 o'clock. I think that's going to be a daily thing throughout his presidency. He'll speak every day. It's amazing. We'll have volume all throughout the day. What platform you use? Oh, Jay answered you. Okay. Yes, KO clicked on stream and one-on-one mentorship. I think there are 3 spots left. If I'm correct, no, there's one. There is literally 1 spot left. I think it's gonna get filled. There's a lot of people that have responded. It's pretty much filled. But, you know, it might even be filled right now. Give me 1 sec. Let me look. Yeah, there's 1 spot left. 1. Jay screaming he got 5,000 pips today. I don't know about 5,000, but I think 100 has been the minimum, right? The standard. So I would say he's either at like 140 and smashed it already, or he's damn near close to 100. Yeah, I don't see. You're over 100 pips for the day already? Jay.
Sorry, I heard my name. What happened?
You're over 100 pips for the day?
Let me check.
Damn, you know it's damn close when you gotta check.
Yeah.
I knew it. I knew it.
I'm at 97.2.
Yo! I fucking sniped it.
I'm listening to what you're saying, and I'm taking the trades accordingly. And you're saying, okay, we got this, we got that. If it goes up here, let's do this. This is the low. This is, if it breaks down, then it should come down. So I'm just going according to what you said. I'm taking those trades. As I
No,
can.
I mean, I sniped my guess. I said, you're damn near 100 pips right now.
Oh, yeah.
He's at 97. I sniped that guess.
Yeah. So Hank was a little off when he said 500, but
He said 5,000.
last night.
Oh, MG said 5,000.
Last night it was a great Asian session, and I made 104.9 pips, so that was cool.
Nice. Very nice. It was my niece's birthday last night, so I went to my brother's house. And,
Nice.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. Except they got a lot of mosquitoes as well. I hate mosquitoes. I fucking despise mosquitoes. They bring no benefit. I got chewed up yesterday. Got chewed up this morning.
Yeah, damn. I mean, it's usually the time, but I don't know why you have so many right now.
Bro, my legs look like a high school teenager's face right now.
Oh yeah, lots of pimples.
Just bumpy ass, fucking mosquito bites all over the place.
Damn.
Yeah. Remember the
I got an
dude
Amazon
from The
package
Sopranos
coming
that had
in.
a really fucked up face? Like just all bumpy and shit. I forgot his name.
Trying to remember.
I actually met him in real life once.
Really?
Yeah, he had a really fucked up face. He did it. It was like his face looked like the surface of the moon. Like it.
So he's an ugly dude.
Yeah, this shit had craters. This shit had mountains. I don't know. He had a fucked up face.
That's nasty. That's nasty.
He was in The Sopranos. He played an Italian mobster.
Still nasty.
Yeah, that's what my fucking legs look right now. Just chewed up. Here we broke the lows. Yeah, barely, but it still broke though. You're right. It created a lower low here. If you're gonna now start closing below here to look for more opportunity. Jason W. You guys should be motivated to. Should be motivating you more to get to where you want to go. Good that we broke this low, but that doesn't mean we're gonna come down. We still need closures. Still need a closure below here. Still need a closure below 2935.1. Gotta run to the gate and receive more baby stuff? That's what they call it nowadays, huh? I gotta run to the gate too, bro. Can we go together?
I received an Amazon package earlier this morning, and it ended up being the baby bathtub and some clothes.
So
And
what do you have to
my
do? You have
girlfriend
to
just
walk out the
started
front door
crying.
and like drive down to the
I-
front gate.
Yeah, well, I don't have to drive down and walk, but it takes about 5 minutes to walk to the front gate. I live in a massive
Damn.
complex
Oh, I was gonna
of
say, I was
houses.
like, damn, that's a big ass house. It's gonna take you 5 minutes to get down to the front gate.
Yeah, no, it's like we have like 100 houses in this complex, and
Okay, that makes sense. You're in like a little community.
Yep, yeah, correct. Very, very secluded, very private, very well gated in, cameras and everything. So it takes me 5 minutes to walk from the house all the way to the main front street.
Yeah, we got this new shit, chat. It's called security.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but completely new. Might be a foreign concept to a lot of you, but we got this new shit.
Yes, I might, Leo. I want to look at the 15 closing now. So right after that, I might just go and meet him there because he called me. He says, "Hey, I'm almost there."
Like that in English?
So, well, yeah, he spoke in Portuguese first, and I told him, "No Portuguese, no Portuguese," and he goes, "Okay, English." Yes, I am. It's my first child. 3 months, 3 weeks left approximately, or less. Well, yesterday was exactly 36 weeks. So she can come at any time, but the due date is approximately mid-March. So taking it step by step. Got more stuff coming in on Monday, on Wednesday. I got to buy more stuff as well. I mean, my girlfriend just gives me the list. All right, this is my notification when you take it to 15, and then I'll go there. Yes, I am white, but my ancestors are Egyptian, but we are white still, Catholic.
Hey, Jay,
Yo,
my daughter was born 7 weeks early, so she came in January when she was supposed to be born in March.
oh,
But
my
you said,
damn.
anytime.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, I mean, we were planning on every single day. We're ready any single time. And she's been getting a lot of contractions, but they're Braxton Hicks. So, we're going to see the doctor regularly and check in. We just had all the STD tests and urine tests and everything last week. Everything went perfectly. So very, very happy. I'm in Villamora, JJ. So yeah, very, very happy, very excited for that. All right, my alarm just rang. I'm gonna go and meet the guy there. Maybe we might, man, I can see possible buys on this 15. Damn. All right, I'll be back, Jeff.
Hey, don't look at me. You guys got him started. You guys ask about the wife. Ask him about the pips, not the wife. Said, take your time, Jay. You don't have to be right back. Ah, shit. You guys are rude. I hope Jay times all of you out when he comes back. I'm gonna see magic tricks for like 5 minutes. Oh shit. NYC open here in 12 minutes. Really, bro? What are you barking at? Oh, you wanted to walk in. Sorry, my bad. My bad. My bad. You wanna go outside? Alright, go ahead. If they ask who let the dogs out, just go woof, 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 woof. Okay, go, go, go. Benny, you platypus, come here. Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on. Come on. Let's go. Hug time. Let's go. We got hugs. I'm giving out hugs. Let's go. Come on. Hey, you sneezed all over me. The fuck was that? He walked over, sneezed on me, and walked away. Bruh. Come here. Come here. Come here. Bring me your fudge. Give me your face. We're gonna wipe all the spit with your face. The hell? Ooh, he's got the ball. Who's got the ball? Get the ball. Ooh. Ooh. Come on. You gonna jump for it? I didn't even throw it. Where are you running? It's right here. Stupid dog. He's gonna go eat the neighbors right now. Oh, bro, that's water. Leave it alone. The pump is running. Yo. You're a knucklehead. Hey. Come on. That's the pool, goddammit. Come here. Ow. Alright, you know what? You can stay here. Forget you. Forget you too. The Latin Pullus Bacchus. Wow. So maybe we do get a range to breakout coming back the other way. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We need closures. This might just bounce off this area and come right back down. We will see. We had something very similar happen yesterday, no? Was it this? Yeah, I think it was this candle. That drop and it all the way back up. Am I still looking for sells? I'm not looking for sells or buys. Either one, just nothing that I'm looking for has set up. We're having these two candles print side by side on the 30, and both of these candles are over 100 pips. The previous candle was 190 pips. This one was 150 pips so far. They're side by side, right? Which tells me we're in a higher time frame. We're in a steep range. This guy, he's barking at the pool, at water. You ever get angry at water? He's beefing with the water. You guys can't say shit. Some of you's beef with somebody on another continent. At least he sees the water in front of him, right? The pool's in front of him. He's not beefing with somebody in the fucking outback. Or in like Lisbon. You know what I mean? So in that sense, he's got more sense than some of you. That's your reflection, bro. That's also your reflection. That's right. Scare the shit out of it. Scare the shit out that pool, bro. Hell yeah. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it, Benny. I'm hyping him up. He's getting mad excited. Tear it up. Tear it up. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Show him who's boss. Down, down, down. Calm down. Hey. Down. Down. Relax. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. You're free. Get him. Get him. Get him. Dumbass fell in the pool. You're not going back in like that, bro. No. Fucking shaggy ass dog. Nah, bro. Do one of those drying thingies before you go inside. Do one of those. Blah, 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 blah. Do one of those before you go inside, alright? Until then, stay out. Shake it off. Run Benny Cam. Imagine I just put one on his collar. Just eating the neighbor's cat in 4K. Be tough. Oh, this is Toga. This is definitely Toga right here. Daily flipped again. No, not for us. Thirty's gonna close here. 2 minutes. Yeah, we'll Phyllis Swick. Call it the Phyllis play. You hate 2 days a week? Really? Why are you angry twice a week? Just hate on everybody on Fridays, huh? Just, what do? You just switch up at midnight? Like you just love everybody and giving out hugs, and midnight you're like, no, fuck you. Midnight Friday, switch up time. Come on. I'll say this, there's nothing wrong with respect, even with the bullish closure, respecting these areas, but it's in a range, and I just can't trade here. I need volume. And you can say, well, we've moved up and down 200 pips. But the volume for structure will be with a closure outside the range, aka below 29.35. No, lay down. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. Time to shake it. Time to shake it. Polaroid picture. It's coming back down? Well, I hope it does. If it comes back down, we'll have an easier time taking a position on the next hourly versus it driving up. Cheers. ASMR Wix. Need some more closures here. People at the Zoom door. Nice. Come on in. Gotcha. All right. Maybe this will end up looking like it's supposed to look. At this point, this could just be a bottom wick on this 15, this 30. But the hourly closure is also our 2-hour closure, is also our 4-hour closure. It's going to be a lot easier to identify entry if we come down here. It's a lot of time left though, 23 minutes. What do you mean he didn't show up? Didn't you say you got a phone call that he's there? You see, that's what happens. You told him no Portuguese, and he probably thought, damn, this guy doesn't like Portuguese people, and he dipped.
No, he understood English perfectly. He told me he was going to be there in 10 minutes. I waited outside almost 20 minutes, came back in, another 5 minutes to walk back. He called, and he said, oh, I'm outside. I said, excuse me, bro, I was there. I was waiting. You were never there. And he goes, okay, so I'll count this as rejected. And then he just hung up on me. I was like, what the fuck? And now I just received the confirmation that package undelivered. Person never answered. So I'm gonna call and file a complaint against them. This is absolutely ridiculous.
You're gonna pull a
oh yeah, no, yeah, I'm a Karen on this part, bro. My time is very important. I don't mess around with this shit.
I'm gonna Karen on this one.
Oh yeah. Listen,
This is gonna
it's
go
a
full
minimum of
Karen
respect.
right
It's his
now.
job.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no,
it's
I
his
hear
job
you.
to do that.
I go through
Bro,
the
it's
same
completely
shit sometimes.
disrespectful. Yeah, I mean, bro, completely disrespectful. It makes no sense. I'm very courteous, very nice.
I go
It's
through that
insane.
shit with the cable guy. They be showing up. I'd be like, "Yo, my cable's out," or like my Wi-Fi's out, and then like they're like, "All right, you have to be home this time in this specific time," and then all of a sudden I check and it's like, customer wasn't home. I'm like, motherfucker, no one ever showed up.
Yeah,
They be doing that
I
shit
mean
all the time.
that's the nastiness, and then you got to fight after everything and all that, bro. I mean,
I turn
listen, I
into a
pay
Karen too. I be
thousands.
calling them up, be like, "Yo, I stayed home from work."
Yeah,
My wife be looking at me like, "You what?" I'd be like, "Shh."
I mean,
I stay home from
it's
work.
2:40 here. It's 2:40 p.m. here. How many people are at home during that time? So obviously he's gonna say that bullshit. So I'm gonna call the actual office, looking for the phone number right now.
Yeah, but you got to do it in
Call
English
them.
now. That's crazy. They're not gonna.
No,
understand.
because it's Spain. It's Spain, so I'll speak to them in Spanish.
Oh, all right, all right.
Yep.
Fuck it, put it on speaker.
Yeah, let me find the phone number and I'll see if
just
I
kidding.
can put on speak.
have to put it
No,
on
okay,
speaker.
okay.
Coming down, coming down. This is good. This is good for us that it's coming down. We just have to wait. There's a lot of time in this candle. We haven't really pushed outside the range. We're ranging. This candle is one big range, wick to wick. 157 pips. Entire candle's a wick. They don't know about Jay's detective skills, but Moonlight's as an investigator. Somebody getting fired. Yo, you know what's been happening? I think I'm getting copyright strikes for this playlist. I think this dude just stopped doing copyright free. I'm about to fire Harris Heller. Yeah, if I get a strike today on this stream, I'm gonna be looking for new music. Murat-John, come on in. Think it's possible to grow a 2K account, or should that kind of? Of course, it's possible to grow a 2K account. And no, you don't need a bigger account. You need to learn how to trade, so you don't have to ask those questions. .01, and your focus is right now is on the wrong thing. You're not supposed to be focused on having a bigger account. You're supposed to be focused on winning the next trade. Right? And because it's a smaller account, should be more motivated to, take risk off the table faster and collect your profits faster. Make ad for YouTube to get subscribed. Okay. Ad incoming for YouTube to get subscribed. Harder and Sing are some demanding ass name. Daydreaming. I'll sleep beneath flowers for a couple of hours. What a beautiful dream. Daydream. Yeah, chat, I'm a few steps away from the PC. Just let me get my phone. Let me finish this, Jay. We got a 15 closure here. Not doing much. I'm gonna wait on this hourly to close. We're still respecting support. See, we're still respecting this area here. Closed above it. So could be a bottom wick for the 30. Yep, still possible. Let's wait for the higher time frame to close here on the hourly, and because even if the hourly closes weak bullish, highly likely we have sells on the next hourly because the 2 and the 4 hour are heavy bearish. Haven't heard that song in years. Well, just reminded you. Now go hear it. I heard it yesterday. That's why it's on my mind. Bro, I'm not even annoyed at you barking no more. I just think you're funny. Get the fuck away from me. Oh shit, we still gotta do the giveaway. Yeah, I remember. Yo, can you shut up? I'm on the phone. I mean, I'm on the stream. Watch, when you're in the park with your friends, I'm just walking in there and I'm barking at everybody. See what happens. See how you like that. Asshole. $9 p.m. No, Trump's gonna be talking at like 3 p.m. Plus, they do the daily news brief with his. I forgot her name, but she's really good. Yo. Dog need a hit of that J, or it needs to come down. Do you know when the president sleep? Trump said he don't sleep. They actually asked him like a couple days ago. I was watching an interview. He's like, I don't sleep. The day where he got the hostage out, like it was late at night. And they were like, when are you gonna rest? He's like, I don't sleep. think about Ukraine peace talk starting? There'd be no such thing under Biden. That's what I think. Books, I'm confused by you. What part at all? Are you Jewish? Yeah, I'm 100% Jewish. I got 100% Jewish blood flowing in my veins. My parents are both Jewish. All of my grandparents are Jewish. I come from a little Jewish ghetto in Ukraine, bro. Do I keep Sabbath? You mean like, do I set a day aside for rest, worship, and spiritual reflection? No. That's a natural event for me, as it happens probably on a daily for me. But I don't abstain from work or attend religious services, right? I do spend time with my family, my community, yeah. But I'm not doing any spiritual activities like reading scripture, meditation, you know. I am studying. You can call studying a spiritual act, right? Anything. I'm always nice, right? Any act of kindness really is a spiritual act. So I guess maybe you can say that. That's between me and my beliefs. My family thinks it's wild that I learned from you because of how you appear with smoking, but once I told them you were Jewish, they stopped caring and they trust you. That's what's dope about Jewish family. I could literally walk into Hank's house tomorrow and have like a great family dinner, like we've known each other, like I'm supposed to be there. The family will accept me like I'm supposed to be there, and I'll have a place to sleep. Nah, you guys aren't invited. Just me. Benny, let's go. Come on, bro. Let's go. Bro, come on. Come on, bris time. It's bris time. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go in. Go in. Go in. Go. You're a Jewish dog, aren't you? You're a little Jewish dog. Yeah, boy. You kosher. You're kosher, bro. Matzo ball soup. I met my professor for the semester over winter break at Shabbat. Alright. Yeah, that's how the community works. True. Biden favorite food is Jello. That's the only shit they serve in the nursing home that he could eat, bro. Visiting Angels, America's choice in home care. That's me showing that I have knowledge of other cultures, Hank. I'm from Detroit. That's how we joke. Yeah. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart, Hank. They're still upset about the Lions. Wait, is Kenny? Where's Kenny? The city done forgot about the Lions real quick. I forgot about this season. This season was a wash. Yeah, this was a toga season for the Lions. Please go through your analysis. Okay, I'll make it simple for you. We're waiting on this 1 hour closure, and then we're looking for top wick sells. We will look to come down here. If we get a bottom wick first, it will depend on how steep that bottom wick is, what levels it drives off of and pulls back up from. Monitoring his chat activity. It's kind of funny. Kind of funny. Who's the profile pic of? Where that looks like my local rabbi. What's with the picture? Monday no stream. Do we have a bank holiday? Wow, yeah, Monday we do have a bank holiday. There's going to be no stream on Monday, but there will be a private session on Sunday. An Asian session at 8 p.m. Eastern on Sunday for everyone in the Signal channel and in the mentorship. So if you're part of that, you'll have access, all right? So, and if you're not, make sure you go join the Signal channel because I believe the mentorship is either closed or there's only one more person or one more spot left. But we will run that session on Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern, and we will also do a 50K account giveaway on Sunday. People at the Zoom door? Yes, there are. There you go. My apologies. Come on in. And then on Tuesday, looks like we're good to go for the whole morning. It's nothing. No red folders. Hundred seconds. Still not in. Don't know if Wix is walking his dog. No, I was here. What do you mean? I was on the mic. I just didn't see you at the Zoom door ski. 1 minute here. Lock in. This will be mostly based on the 2 and the 4 hour. The 1 hour also makes sense right now. Let's see if it can also make some dollars. this 30 to have a bottom wick. I don't know if this is going to be entry here. The entry might be somewhere up here. Thing is, we're coming down with bearish momentum initially, so we might make a bottom wick first. And if that's the case, as we start coming up here, door, come in. I'm looking for sells off these white lines that we've marked up before the candle closed. Try to tap this support here, which means if we're coming up, we need a resistance area. Another decision-making area. It's going to be a level where we're either going to come up heavy from, or we're going to plummet down heavy from. Got to be patient here, because if it plummets down, we have a lot of range to fill. We're looking at 29, 22 areas. We have a lot of range to take advantage of. My issue is we've never come up here on this 4-hour candle. It just opened up this hourly, 2-hour, 4-hour, whatever you want to call it, this 30. We haven't come up here to bounce off resistance, but we've grabbed a lot of orders on the previous candle. So this is also range, right? So if we flip bullish, we're going to start filling this previous candle wick. But if we can get a bearish closure, which is, what it's looking like what we need. Yeah, if we can get a bearish closure, then we can look for some positions on the following candle. So to make it simple for you, I want to see something like this. I'd want to see us really trying to finish out the range here. And if not even to this low, but at least to these lows right here. If we can have price come down and just blast through here and fill this range, I'll look to refill it off Toplex. I'm looking at the lowest common denominator across the board for that range, and I think every time we close below 29.35 or respect it, this is what we're looking to get to across the board here. Right. At the very least. Right. Topped out, this is the bottom. Top down. This is the bottom here. Top down. Definitely got to drive through here. Came way down. Held this area, filled the whole range. So if we can get the closure below here, right? It could be even a weaker closure if we do something like this. Let's see. Let us see. Hold on, give me a second. I gotta go to the bathroom. Be right back.
Hey, Wix, quick question. It's President's Day on Monday.
Stream.
Is Asian, right, but is Asian Sunday still streaming despite that?
Yeah.
Or is it combined
I mean, combined. No, I'm gonna do a private stream.
as a holiday? Oh, it's gonna open on Sunday night.
Yeah, we're gonna. I mean, New York's not gonna open. Asia's gonna be open. The Asian markets are open. And that's
Okay,
what we're trading.
perfect. All right. So for the people on stream, it's back on Tuesday morning.
Yeah.
All right, get the signals, people.
W. Thursday. I don't think I had a reel yesterday. Yeah, there was no reel yesterday, so it was Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We'll go these 4 days. Monday always wins. Monday has been the winner every time. I feel like you guys got together and are like, you know what? Let's just make it Monday always. This way we know what to comment on. Luke's got an Eddie keyword. I got the prototype, bro. This shit came off a Walmart register. Wix, will gold reach 3K this month? I don't know. Will gold reach 3K this month? Hold on, no, I can't do it like that. I need peace and quiet here. Will gold reach 3K? I think I need my magic 8-ball. Hold on. Will gold reach 3K this month? All good. It's reaching 3K this month. Woo! No, just kidding. Dun dun dun. Thanks. Now I will buy gold. Right now, as it's dropping, right now. Just wait for 3K, then do it. Wow, so much for bad news for the dollar today. Trump made a phone call. He's like, no. Look, I'm just going to need you to keep going here right now. Slip him to hell. Remember what level we spoke about? I think it was around here. 29.29. 29.27. We'll see. Seconds for this 15-minute to close. Fuck off. Damn, you some Monday loving motherfuckers. You guys love Mondays. That's your shit. Did you get anything in Asian? No, I didn't trade last night Asian. It was my niece's birthday, so I was at my brother's house. "12 minutes left here for the 30. London closes in about an hour, like about 45 minutes. Yeah, I get we're coming down. I get that there's range, but you want entries. Well, I want entries not mid candle. I want them off resistance areas to really kind of mitigate risk, not expose myself to unnecessary drawdown. How many traps? Oh, my traps are still there, bro. Don't let this baggy ass shirt fool you. This is a Forex shirt. This is my Forex clothes. See what I did there? Forex. Holy jumping fucking Jesus. What are you doing? Come on, gold. Pull back. That's quick. It's funny too. That previous closure was at a support with no bottom wick and still blasted right through it. That is wild. It's gonna have to correct some of this. As it's correcting that push up. This must correct. It's already correct. It's correcting the push up. This whole push up has just been corrected. Pips. 430. Snap back at us. There's a lot of room to go here. Yeah, 07, 06, 05 area. Yeah, whoever was looking for that, you're not wrong. It could, definitely could. But from what we know is that the market doesn't move in a straight line, and this will pull back before, if it does decide to come down all the way through there, it'll pull back. Or highly likely, not it will pull back, but high likelihood it will pull back. Is Trump tweeting? What is this? Better now? Gucci sweater now? Oh, Vance is speaking. That's right. I think his first international, right? Conference. Yeah. Huh. Why aren't they playing that? Why is that not on TV? Yeah, they're not showing that anywhere. It's online. Nah, I'm good. About them joining NATO? That ain't gonna happen. Well, 5 minutes for the 30. We're going to look to take advantage of this 30 and probably a good time to map out these sells here. Your possible entries. done talking. No fronties? Oh, no frontiers. That time again. Thank you. Side bets on this 30 leaving a wick. It's melting. Come on. Don't worry, gang. I've played this game before. Trust me. Played this game before. Waiting on a 30 close. That's what we are doing as well. Well, that's what I'm doing. This 30 identifies as a 2-hour candle. Shit, this 30 might identify as a daily candle at the end of the day. This is wild. Buyer's trapped? No, buyer's broke. Be careful, watch this wick right here, the reaction at this wick to the left. It's gonna get interesting here. Pull back now. This is really interesting that it's tapped that area. You might see a heavy pullback. If it doesn't blast right back down, right through it, you might see a heavy pullback. short blast right back now. Zoom door. Gotcha. Don't worry, we'll still do the giveaway. We'll do the giveaway. Just looking for it to set up. At this point, what are we waiting for? The 11 a.m.? No, not necessarily. Well, 2906 that we spoke about has been tapped. 2907, 2906. Well, it's Friday. I hope you didn't have buys. Oh, God. Got a mosquito bite. Damn it. I hate mosquitoes. Oops. Turn into a leg candle, it could, but there's 8 minutes left here, and even if it's a leg candle, the higher time frame's still open on the 30, the hourly, which can make it not a leg candle. Continue pushing up, which is what we would actually want. More range to fill on on the next hourly candle. Lovely. We want it higher. Pull up. This might reflip bearish here for a split second and come back up. It's kind of funny how you understand probability, like of things over time. You don't even need to like I don't need to sample size or keep data on what we did this month in order to figure out the probability of the trades we're taking. It's just I kind of know it in my head, the likelihood of a trade playing out. I can literally be like, oh, this is at like 60%, this is at like 70%, this is like 80%. Very interesting. Alright, we've tapped this first resistance area where I would have liked to have entries if we came up here first. But as we're coming up right now, I look at the hourly. And if we want the bottom wick to be left on the hourly and we want a top wick entry on the next hourly, we probably don't want to enter here right now. But I will say this, if we come up to here, to 29.23, I will take an entry before this candle closes. I like this next range right here. This was where the heavy drop back down came from. So if we can come up, I'll probably look for sells there. There we go. Coming up, coming up. It's also kind of tough. This is strong resistance. But based on the higher time frame, we want this to pull up higher. Okay. Okay. So these wicks it's looking to break right here. These wicks. Gonna break this. Next stop. Here. Gonna break this wick right here. There we go, it just broke it. Should be coming up. Really? Need another few pips. Alright, well the 15 is closing here in 45 seconds. We're gonna, and the next 15 is gonna need to open with a top wick here. We're gonna need to come up to these areas here. This would suck if this is the top on the 15 before the hourly. We don't break this high before the end of the hour. Wow. How many more pips do we need here? Another 10, 11. All right, 5 seconds here on the 15. This will matter how this opens. If it opens to the downside, it's going to be waiting through the hourly. If it comes up here, he breaks this high, we will take sells. Okay, okay. And that sucks. How much on the hourly here? That is fucking whack. All right, I'm gonna end the poll right here. 42% for Monday. Let's go back to Monday. Let's do our stream giveaway. All this prints here. We have 12 minutes for this hourly closure. We will try to take advantage of it on the 1 hour. This is printed like shit here on the 1530. Fucking disgusting. Anyway, yeah. Monday 1. Let's open an incognito window. Let's do go to Monday's reel. The name of the reel is Another Sniper Entry. If you want to go comment. As I'm running the giveaway, whatever comments there are at that moment, that's just what we're gonna do. It's been a lot of time. You guys had a few days. So let's run it. All right, winner number 1 is 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 68 and it is, can anybody tell from that picture? Ben 06 Ben J. Benny, you got a doppelganger. Ben J, which is something different from Bengay. I need some Bengay for my fucking neck, yo. Congratulations, Ben J. Are you here? Is he here? Oh, right there. 63 Ben W. Congratulations. Alright, that's enough. My nickname is Benji. Does that count? I don't know. I don't think so. Yo, DM me on IG from this account, okay? You gotta DM me from that specific account. If you can do that, DM me your name, your email, and proof that you're following the IG and subbed on YouTube. If you can do those things, we'll get you your 25K account out by tonight. Or well, you'll have it probably by tomorrow. Okay, that's winner number 1. Let's see if we get winner number 2 in here. Let's run it again. Drum roll, please. We don't have a drum roll. Okay, let's do something else. Damn. The number of you guys, of the entries doubled. The first one had really good odds. Let's see what happens here. The winner is Muria. You here? Oh, you're there. He said, I won. I won. W, congratulations on the 25K account. Yeah, same thing. DM me your full name, your email, and proof that you follow the IG and sub to the YouTube, and I'll get you your credentials. Okay? Congratulations to our winners, Benjay and Muria, which, if you put them together, kind of sounds like a really bad sickness. I got that Benjay Muria. Sounds like some shit you get going to the Amazon. It came down with that Benjay Muria. DM'd you with, hey, it says the message needs to be accepted. Yeah, I'll accept it once I get to it, or somebody from my team will, and we'll get it out to you. Don't worry. Just look for a response. 5 minutes remaining here in this 1 hour candle. We got range to fill. Can we have an entry to go along with it? Right? Right, gang? We all about that base. No trouble. Hey Hank, call the parents. Tell them this nice Jewish boy on the screen is gonna roll a joint. This session has been good to me. Yeah, you guys are fucking killing it. Nice job. Jay got super locked in after his last loss. He's just like, no, I'm not stopping. He stayed locked in. I get really locked in after a loss, but like, Jay's super duper locked in. Wow, it really retraced all of this right back. That sucks. Well, it sucks and it doesn't. But it just sucks it never got here, because we would have been in here before, like I said, before the candle closed if we got there. It's another 10 pips. 11 pips. Yeah, same thing, Miria. So you gotta wait till I respond to you. Once I respond to you, look out for a response from my profile, and then you'll be able to send all of that in. Just do some dabs. Are we getting high? All right, nice. We're getting high. Oh, shit. Gotta get me, cause I'm out here grinding. Cause I'm out here grinding. Nah, Jay's about to crush the Amazon guy with his wallet. Let him live, bro. Forget about it. Some fights are not worth picking. Some L's are just worth taking.
He doesn't work for Amazon. They I ordered from Amazon, but they ship with the local postal service here called Correos Express. Express Courier.
Correos Express is drinking a cerveza right now, my friend.
Yeah, that sounded a little Russian, but okay. So I'm not sure if they are part of the Spanish field office or if they have an office here in Portugal. But yeah, it's them. It's like the post.
Have you found the guy yet? Have you found his name and where his family lives?
No, but I was concentrating on the charts more than
call him up like
him.
the guy from Taken and just be like, I've acquired a unique set of skills over my Now bring me my fucking package.
Yeah, we scheduled a package for Monday at a time that he wouldn't be working at, so hopefully. And then
I will find you.
Already.
And I will kill you.
Good luck.
Yeah, right. I can already see the Amazon guy with the voice changer. Good luck.
Oh man.
Using the voice changer.
Yeah, no, it was a good
from
week.
Amazon.
Sorry?
Using that voice changer that you had ordered from Amazon?
Yeah.
Just use your own shit.
Yes, I'm in Portugal, Mohammed. I live here now.
Hold on. We closed here. Hold on. We closed on the hourly and we don't have a top wick. We need top wick ski. What is interesting is we closed right at a level. You see this area? We closed right at it. Right here. So I would expect on any pullback a very heavy pullback. Let's see if this doesn't start filling the wick or a large part of the wick to 29.11. If we don't get there and we come back up, we break the highs, I'll look for entry at 29.23. But if we do fill this right now to 29.11, I'll probably call it a session. And if anything, I'll call it in the signal channel. Congrats to the two winners, by the way, today of the 50K that we gave away, 25K accounts that we gave away. W. I guess this top look was too much to ask for. It's gonna be a no pip stream after so long. Possible, completely possible. I don't believe this will be a no pip New York session. I think at some point during this New York session I will get something. Grew your account from 50K to 100K, Alex. You asking me if I doubled it in the last month? No. When did the market structure change here? Because of that 200 pip candle or 2 30-minute candles before that? No, it changed on a range 2 breakout. Market structure changed on this closure. Was this instrumental? Timu Swift. Spot. Oh, Ariel. Yeah. Any idea why the previous 30 was bearish? No, I just see that it's bearish. My job is to act on it and react to it, not to predict. So I don't know why it wasn't required to. But once it happens, I have to pay attention to it. Right? Don't get comfortable. Yeah. A comfort zone is a beautiful place to be, but nothing grows there. So if you're looking for growth, don't get comfortable. Marked up every single possible resistance we could have drove off today. We got none of them. Toga day. Toga day today. Yeah, I think we're gonna call it here. I'm gonna take this into the signal channel. think we can have some positions as it starts coming up here to 23 areas, 22, 23 areas. I think that's what I want to see. But other than that, it's gonna take for 26.7. We should be there. We're like 5 away. So 5 of you should sub, and we'll be at 26.7k subs. But guess what? We lost 5 overnight. I don't know how. I don't know how the stream keeps winning and losing subs, and we gain them through the stream and then lose them overnight. Like, what the fuck? 24-hour sub service? Sub, 24 hours later, gone. Hope my phone's charged. It's actually not. There's about 1% battery on it. But we didn't have any wins. We had a break-even trade. It's alright. Still a W. Still value in discussion. There's still value in watching the charts even if you don't get to enter your position. Maybe your position didn't set up. There's still value in watching and learning and experiencing gold, you know, in different market cycles. Whether it gives you your edge or it doesn't. To me, it's still a W session, and my session's technically not done yet. If you're in a signal channel, I think through noon you can stay locked in through noon. But after that, and I gotta do a couple of one-on-ones. I have some phone calls. I want to meet people. I gotta set people up for next week for the mentorship. So yeah, I'm gonna be busy afternoon. All right, gang, let's call this a session. Let's call it a week. W week, very profitable week, incredible week. 1 trade today during the session, 1 break even. If you're part of the Signal channel, make sure you're attending our Sunday private session, 8 p.m. Eastern. If you're part of the mentorship, that's available to you now, so make sure you attend that as well. We'll have a nice Sunday stream to open up next week. We won't have one on Monday, but we'll have one on Sunday. Monday is a bank holiday, so Sunday Asian session, 8 p.m. Eastern, and we'll also give away a 50k funded account. So if you're part of the Signal channel or the mentorship, show up. If you're not, this is your time to join. Go join before we run the session so you can have access to it and so you can be part of the giveaway. Now, Zoom gang, let's do a little flex. We owe it to the stream to flex. Hit him with that 3x3. Yeah. Flexing on everybody. Perfect. Great flex, everybody. I'm glad we got the blood flowing. Get the juices flowing. Now go out and slay the weekend. All right, Zoom gang. See you on the Clubhouse side of things. Mods, thank you for helping me run the stream once again and always. Signal channel. Stay locked in through noon. After that, you can relax and start your weekend. As for me, gang, you guys already know the deal. My time here is up. We're going to call it a session. And just like that, another New York session and another trading week are in the books. Truly, honestly, go out and enjoy your weekend to the fullest, gang. Later.
break out the red panties. We're rich, baby.